Hi friends, and welcome again to MALogics, where we practice daily math. Today, once again, we are going to solve another math problem. And the question is as 8 minus 8 times 8 minus 8. So can you solve this in your mind before video goes end? But the twist is that its answer is not 0. So let's move to the solution of this problem. Friends, as we know, the rule of PEMDAS, where priority shifts from left to right. And here, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So in our next step, 8 minus this, 8 times 8, which gives us 64, and this, minus 8. Now in the next step, I'm solving the left one, because of the math sequence, which is from left to right. Here, 8 minus 64 in equals to negative 56. By subtracting negative 8 from negative 56 gives us negative 64. This is our final and correct answer for the problem stated above. If this video gave you any knowledge about maths you didn't know before, then like it and subscribe for more math problem solving videos.